Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I will be showing you a complete step-by-step tutorial on how I made my pantry labels using my cricut. And in the description below I do have all the links where I got all my containers, so if you want to make labels for the exact same containers, because I have all the sizes that I used. And I know I have been making bow tutorials lately, and I took a break on making cricut tutorials just because we were moving, so all my cricut stuff was packed away. But I am back. I am going to try to make more cricut tutorial videos, and I will still do some bow tutorials just because I have a bunch of requests on which bows people want me to make a tutorial on. So yeah. Alright, so let's begin. Alright, so this is my pantry. So this is what I'm going to be showing you a tutorial of. Here's the thing. So I looked everywhere to buy these little labels because I really like the white. And yes, I know I could cut them out of the vinyl. The thing is that if it's just vinyl and me constantly washing these or wiping them down, it does eventually start to rub off because it's such thin letters. So and then in order to get white labels on clear, you need to have a white ink printer, and those are very expensive. And when I went online, as you could see here, one label is $3. I mean, if I buy two labels, it's gonna cost me a whole container. So I'm like, no way I am buying labels. And I gotta say, the way I did it, it does look better on glass versus plastic, but I still love it. It looks really nice. And here's what it looks like white on white. I think it still looks good. Okay, so I got my clear sticker sheets, and I'm going to use my Cricut trimmer and cut 1.5-inch strips. And then I get those strips and I cut them into 2.5-inch strips, and those I'm going to be using for most of the labels except for my oil bottles. The way I apply my clear sticker sheet to the words is I use this cutting mat because it has measurements on it. So I place the cutout words like right in the middle of these two squares. And then I put my clear sticker right on top, and then it just looks even. So I kind of just eye it. And then I peel off the clear sticker and the words stay on it. Another way to do it is to get a little piece of tape and fold the edges over so both sides are sticky. And then I put it on my cutting mat, like right in the middle of the size of my labels. And then I place that little cutout word on top of it. And again, I kind of just eye where I put the clear sticker sheet, and that's it. And then I just peel it off. Okay, so the way I came up with the sizes for my containers is I just got my thinnest container and I got my measuring tape and I measured the width of it to see how big would I want the words to be, and then the label itself. Okay, so the first thing I did, I went and found a font that I wanted to use for my labels, and I do have a video on how to download free fonts to use for a Cricut design space. It is in the description below. Also, it will pop up right now in the top right corner. And then I open my Cricut design space and insert font. Go under my system fonts, and I'm using this bakery smooth condensed font in bold. After inserting the text, I decided that I want this one to be about 1.685 in width, and the little square that I inserted, that's 2 inches. That was what I measured on my thinnest container, and that's like the biggest I wanted the words to be. Anyway, so after I decide on the size, I'm gonna keep that size and type in all the letters, all the words that I need. And for labels that are more than one word and they're really long words, I do end up putting it in 2 lines, and then I ungroup the lines and I select 2 of the words together and I center it so it's even. And then on my keypad, I press the arrow down, like how much lower I want the bottom word to be, and then I select both of those things and I weld it so it becomes like a one item, one image, or whatever. Okay, and I finished all the words, and now I want them to be all cut out on one paper, and the one that I am using, it is like a regular printer size, 8.5 inches by 11. So what I did, I inserted a square shape and I made it into that size, 8.5 by 11. The reason why I changed it to white, just so I can see the words. And now I'm just gonna rearrange all the words so they could all fit on one piece of paper, and all of my stuff that needed to be labeled, it actually ended up all fitting in one page, and you have to do more than one, so that was cool. And then I went to cut. If you have a brand new fine cut blade, I would use a regular vinyl setting or a sticker paper setting. My Cricut blade is very old, so I just put glitter vinyl. Whenever you have a blade that's like been used so much, honestly, all the iron-on and all the vinyl, just use the glitter vinyl setting, and it did cut through and it was perfect. Thank you so much for watching my video tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also check out my handmade little store, Zhannastar.com, where I sell my cutest little baby stuff. So check it out, and don't forget to check out the description below for all the helpful links and all the product links as well. All right, thank you. Bye.